Okay, here we have a Casio G-Shock watch. It's a model GA-2000 with a Gorillaz branding. Here in the box where it comes from, and here in the box where it watches. We have some papers here, the warranty, some kind of advertising, yeah, and the tool for bracelet removal. If you need to switch your bracelets, there are one extra in the package. Some kind of stuff from G-Store Russia store. Some kind of wooden stuff. And this is some medical plaster. Yeah, some medical stuff. Kinda cool. So, let's see the watch. Now let's see how it looks without the package. Okay, here it is. We have some extra bracelet. It's a very cool khaki color. I personally like that one much more, so I'll switch to that one later. And the watch itself. I like how the face looks. The Gorillaz in red is a very cool addition. The bracelet itself is very colorful, so I don't need that much color on my hand, so I will definitely switch to the khaki one. But if you like bright colors, that's exactly for you. I actually like the texture on the face. It really looks good. And it's pretty lightweight actually. It's much more lightweight than any other G-Shocks I have ever tried. Okay, let's see how it looks on the hand. My hand is not that big actually. It's like 17 centimeters. But it looks good. I was afraid it will be too much for me. A distant look, just so you can see how it actually will look on your hand. A little bit of close-ups on the face, back, and the watch itself. Yeah, that's the texture I was talking about. Yeah, the button is actually a plastic, I think. It is a carbon part. And how the lights looks. Thanks for watching.